Good one. Oh, on the bracelet. Yes. Elbow. Don't look at me like that. Come on. What's it doing?
Hey?
What's it doing? Oof! What's Ham doing?
Probably laying an egg. Ooh.
Must be a big one.
Yeah?
Whoa, what's it doing?
Hey?
It's going to get me. Look, it's making noises. And its tail's sticking up.
What's wrong with it?
It's a crazy one, that one. Got bolt loose. Stay up there then, that's nice.
Yeah.
Come on, take a picture. Don't move. Don't growl at me. Put it away. Stephen Rose dresses.
Where?
Where are they?
I don't know.
They're not here.
What?
Chuck-chucks. Oh, I can see a face.
Where? Wow.
Ah, they're going there. Come on. Butterfly.
They were chasing them yesterday.
I thought somebody's ripped one of its wings.
Yeah?
A bit missing.
Butterfly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on. Why does it growl?
I don't know.
Whoa.
What?
I want to stroke it, but look at it.
I'll stroke it. Not hurt you. Bit closer.
Come on. Oh, you're nice. Oh, you're nice. Oh God, and it's soft. So soft. Oh. Come here. Come here. Stubborn.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Oh. Yeah. 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 Woo. Yeah.
Just gotta get other ones in there. You wanna go?
Yeah, bring it up here.
I'm trying. This way, that way. Turn around. That's it. Now. Woo! Don't look at me. That way. That way. That way. Go on in. Ah! Oh! It runs straight between my legs. Oh, no!
Yeah. Yeah, it nearly went in the shed.
It nearly went push. Get it that way.
You've got, there's that, what do you call it at the top?
What?
That latch.
Where?
Where?
Yay!
What did you do?
Herded it. Put it away.